you put the mask over the nose. Not like this. Doesn't help anything. Over. Got it? Cool. What's going on, guys? Tony Handy's here with Lazy Tech TV, and we're going to take a look at the Maskfone. Now, we're still all using masks, hopefully, but we're also trying to be as active as possible, whether you're working out in an outside gym or just taking runs around the neighborhood. Either way, if you need a way to be able to wear a mask as well as make sure that your headphones don't fall out, especially like, you know, these AirPods, because for me at least, they don't stay in all that well, especially while I'm eating. I don't know why. It's weird. So the folks over at Maskfone have come up with this. They have a couple of other products in their lineup, but this is like their main thing that they were promoting early on, or rather late last year. And the idea is just that. You have a mask that has built-in wireless Bluetooth headphones that go through the bottom of the mask so they won't ever fall out and you won't ever lose them. Kind of cool. The mask itself is 100% washable. You've got these little pulleys here on the ends here, so they stick around your ear nice and snug, and you don't ever have to worry about them, you know, coming out. And then with the headphones themselves, these stay in for days. Oh, it just hurt my head doing that. They stay in for days, and with controlling them, you've got these handy 3 buttons here. The middle one just turns on the headphones, also pauses. And then you can lower or raise the volume accordingly, or skip accordingly just by holding down. And then when you don't need to use this anymore and you just want to pack it away, the back of these earbuds are magnetic. Kind of cool, right? And so I was looking into this because I thought this is a really, really innovative idea. Essentially, it's just a cloth mask with a $30 Bluetooth headset that Maskfone had gotten from Motorola. This is kind of ingenious, especially at $50, because you could do it yourself, arguably, you know, and if you're lucky enough to have someone in the household that is a, you know, seamstress or can create something, they could totally do it for you. But for others who want a solution right out of the gate, this is very comfortable. There's only a couple of problems that I had overall, because I'll tell you right now, it's not the battery life. The battery life was phenomenal. Sound quality is phenomenal. Here's what it sounds like just talking through the phone.
Have you ever heard of Lazy Tech Tony on Twitch? He streams video games, podcasts, video editing, and some amazing just chatting sessions. Go check him out on twitch.tv/LazyTechTony.
And here's what it sounds like talking through the mask.
Have you ever heard of Lazy Tech Tony on Twitch? He streams video games, podcasts, video editings, and some amazing just chatting sessions. You should go check him out at twitch.tv/LazyTechTony.
It's a little muffled, sure, but you can hear it, and it's really no different than talking through any other mask. It's just not better. There is an app that you can download. I believe it's called the Hubble app, and via the app you can use like Alexa as well too. I never really used that, if I'm being honest with you, and it didn't make it any better sound quality wise while I'm on the phone, whether it be a Discord call or just a regular phone call. But one of the issues that I had was getting the filter from this to this. For whatever reason, the sealant that they have around the filter, when it's brand new, it's stuck shut like this. And it took me a good 5 minutes to pry it apart without ripping it. This is my second filter. I ripped the first one. And luckily you can buy more filters, of course, probably on Amazon, but Maskfone also sell their own version as well too. And it is N95 certified. So I guess you could cut it apart with very, very small blades of scissors, like, you know, nose hair scissors or something like that. But aside from that, it's just the prying, quite annoying. And the last thing that bothered me was charging the battery on the headphones. is a micro USB, not a USB Type-C, which leads me to believe that the company went to Motorola or some vendor and said, what inexpensive wireless earbuds do you have that would work with our product? And they came up with this solution. And again, it's a fine solution. It's just, I don't really have any micro USBs anymore. And I feel a lot more of us are getting less and less of micro USB powered devices as well too. So I guess it was just a little bit irksome considering USB Type-C is now the prevailing USB standard, but oh well, what's one device, right? The only last two things are a little bit annoying and they're barely worth mentioning, but I will because it's my channel. The wire of the wireless earbud does tend to get tangled in the ear strap of the mask. So sometimes I will pick up the mask and it will look something like this and it won't be able to reach my ear. So one, that's a little irksome. I don't know how you would fix that. I don't have a solution. It's just annoying. And then the last thing regarding aesthetics, don't like this. Don't need a big like logo. Just make it smaller. And these, the dangle, it's fine. I'm here in my office. Who cares? But just kind of walking around, these do kind of, you know, sway and fro. And it's just, I don't know. I feel self-conscious having them just hang out like that. Maybe it's just me. Maybe no one else cares. I care. But it's just weird. So yeah, guys, that's the Maskfone. If you want to buy your own, go ahead and click the link in the description down below. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave that in the comment section down below. And I don't think I mentioned, I'm actually on Twitch. So go check out my Twitch channel, twitch.tv/LazyTechTony. All the other links will be found in the description. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.